All right, girls, I hope you all are ready with your workbooks.
Yes, teacher. Teacher, which page am I?
Page 62. Today we are going to do two pages, 62 and 63. So turn to page 62 of your workbooks and write down the date. What's the date, girls? Today's 6th,
6 March,
6th April.
April 2021.
Good. Write down the date, 6th April 2021. Yes, and the topic is connectives. Remember, we have learned about connectives. What is a
Yes.
connective? That joins part of a sentence that joins phrases, clauses, or sentences together. Okay, there are many connectives that we have learned. There are time connectives, and there are connectives that tells us um, about what, like conflicts and, but, because, while, finally, afterwards, now, after. There are many connectives that we have learned, right? However, although remember, girls, that joins part of a sentence, phrases, clauses, or we can use connectives to make simple sentences into a longer, complex ones, right? Remember, girls?
Yes.
Girls, be attentive,
Yes.
please. Can you respond? Okay. All right. Now the question part A, question one. Find four examples of connectives. Just a moment. Okay, the question is look back at the extract about the life cycle of a dragonfly. Find four examples of connectives. Yes, the life cycle of a dragonfly is given on page 60. Can you find out four connectives, girls? Quickly find out and tell me.
And
Okay,
or because while
because,
so
very good.
so
Yes, yes,
since but
good. Girls, I want you all to please tell
afterwards
me. I can only hear
afterwards
two girls saying afterwards. Very good. Yes,
afterwards
correct.
however
However, is very good. So how many we are going to write?
for
Four.
for
Yes. And the second question is find one example of a time
because
connective that tells us about the time.
afterwards
Afterwards. Excellent. Yes. That tells us about the time. Yes, girls, have you all found out?
yes yes teacher.
Okay. Now write down.
Teacher done.
Okay, good. Yes, girls, have you all written?
Yes.
Um, Yes, girls, is there anyone who's still doing? Shall we move on to another part?
No, yes, teacher, and then we can come the other part.
All right. Okay. Now, next question, part B. Write all the time connectives from the box below in the clock shape. Okay. This is the box we have been given with, and the words we need to write only the time connectives. So there would be how many time connectives?
12. 12.
Very, yes, 12. Okay, now let's find out what are time connectives first. Therefore, do you feel that
Yes.
therefore is a time connective?
Yes. Yes.
Is it a time connective? Therefore.
No.
No,
No.
it doesn't tell us
Yes.
about the time. So
No.
therefore is not a time connective. Firstly, does it tell us about the time? It tells us
Yes.
about the
Yes.
sequence of events,
Yes.
right? So firstly is a time connective. Good.
Yes.
Then we have next. Is it a time connective?
Teacher. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Teacher. Yes. So where do we have to write these words?
I will tell you. Just figure out the time connectives first, then I'll tell you how to write. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Next, is it a time connective?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Good. Okay, then we have because.
No.
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 Very good. Then,
Yes.
yes, because it also tells us about the time, then what happens, then what's next, right? Later?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, good. As a result?
No.
No, good. Then we have after?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, good. Since?
Yes.
Yes, good. In addition?
No. Teacher, how since?
Since is a time connective, dear. And in addition is not a time connective. Okay? Since means from that time, right? Next we have now.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, good.
Yes.
When?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Once.
No. Yes. No.
Once is a time connective. Okay? Like on one occasion you can tell. It tells us about time. One
Teacher,
time. Once.
teacher,
Once it happened, right?
when is
When is a
also a
time.
time connected, right?
Yes, when is also a time connective. Once
Okay.
as well as time connected. Now, however.
No. Yes. No. Yes.
No, however
Yes.
is not a time connective. Okay. Next we have while.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, it's a time connective.
Yes. Teacher,
Okay.
there's another one in between however and while.
That's although, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so although is a time connective?
Yes. No.
No,
No.
that's not a
Yes.
time connective.
Uh,
No. Then we have while. That's a time connective. Okay. While means at the same time, right? Finally.
yeah. Yes.
Yes. Unbelievably.
No.
No. Then we have until.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Good. So how are you going to write? You have to attempt this way.
Teacher, can you go to exercise A?
Part A, haven't you attempted? Wait, quickly attempt it, dear.
Teacher, there is not space around the clock at the right side where you have wrote then and later. Because the
Dear, you
pen.
can make a line. You can make a line using a scale and then write down, okay?
Teacher, can I
Uh,
just circle from
inside the
the
clock.
book?
Yes, you can write it inside the clock. Make a line inside the clock and then write.
Okay. Teacher, I'm writing inside the clock.
Okay.
Teacher, I'm done.
Okay, let them all finish.
Teacher,
Yes.
can we do exercise C now?
Let me ask, is there anyone who's still doing, girls?
Teacher, I'm done with part A and B.
All right. Okay, I'm
I'm
waiting
still
for the
doing
girls
part
who are
B.
still doing.
Teacher,
Okay,
I'm doing.
no problem. I'm waiting. Just let me know after finishing.
All right, teacher, I'm done.
Okay.
Teacher, I'm done now.
All right. Yes, girls. Everybody has finished.
Teacher, I'm done. Yes.
Okay. Let's move on to another part. Part C. Add a connector from exercise B into each of the gaps below. There might be more than one possibility, okay? From exercise B, we need to fill up the gaps, all right? Okay, dash the dragonfly's mate. What it could be?
Firstly.
Firstly, very good, very
Firstly.
good. Firstly, the dragonfly's mate. Don't write now. I'll show you the answer key. First, now try to attempt. Dash the female lays the eggs on a leaf in a pond.
Next. Next.
Next. Very good. Firstly, then next the female lays the eggs on a leaf in a pond. Dash the eggs hatch. They become nymphs.
Then later. When.
After. When is that? Yes, it can be when, correct, or it can be after as well. After the eggs hatch, they become nymphs. The nymphs live in the pond, dash they develop into dragonflies.
Once.
Until, not once. The nymphs live in the pond until they develop into dragonflies. Dash the nymphs shed their skin to become dragonflies. We have written firstly there, then what it would be at the end?
Finally. Last.
Finally.
Finally. Very good, finally. So you have to attempt this one.
Teacher, I'm done.
Good.
Teacher, can we do the next page?
Wait, let them all write.
Teacher, I'm
For a
done.
second. Teacher, can you
What
go part B for a second?
part B?
Yes, now you can go. I just need to say one thing.
Okay.
Teacher, I'm also done with part B and C.
Okay.
No part.
Good.
Teacher,
Yes.
teacher, this like the part B you were showing.
Yes.
The when was written in the sixth place.
No problem. You can change the order.
Okay.
Yes, girls. Done?
Yes.
Okay. Let's move on to another page, that is page 63, the water cycle. Complete the following 10 sentences. Okay, we need to.
With the last blank.
Okay, last is finally.
Okay. Teacher.
Yes. Okay, now. Heat comes from the
Oil. Sun.
sun. Good. Don't
Sun.
try to
Teacher.
show you the answer to
Sun.
me. Yes. This is the water cycle we are discussing here. It causes water to
Evaporate.
evaporate. Excellent. The water turns into vapor. Vapor. Water vapor forms
Clouds.
clouds. Excellent.
Clouds.
Dash carries clouds over the land.
Air.
Wind.
Wind. Yes, wind. Water falls as
Rainfall.
rain.
It
Correct.
waterfalls
Then
are rain.
rain. Rain runs off
Clouds.
Rains.
into streams, right? Rain runs off into streams. It soaks through the
Land and soil.
soil. The dash is called groundwater.
Water.
The water is called, very good. Be confident. The water evaporates and the dash begins again.
Water cycle.
Cycle.
Water
Cycle.
cycle. And the cycle begins again. Very good. Now write down.
Teacher, I'm done. Teacher, just wait, I'm not done.
No problem, I'm waiting.
Teacher,
Yes.
after this, will we also find the words?
Yes.
I'm done with part A of this page.
Sorry, yes.
I'm done with part A of this page.
Okay, good. Let them all finish. Yes, girls, have you all attempted?
No, yes.
Okay.
I'm just writing soil.
Good.
Teacher, is
Yes.
there any fish in here?
Is there any?
Okay, nothing. I found it.
Teacher, the ones who are done, can I try to do part B?
Teacher, I'm done.
Okay. Okay, part B is can you find the 10
Let's take a
words
word
from above
search.
in the word search below? Yes. How many words you need to find out?
10.
10. Now
Teacher,
quickly.
I have found 6.
Okay. Try to find out
Teacher,
10.
found all.
Very good. Yes, girls, have you found out 10 words?
No, not yet. Yes. Teacher,
Yes.
I found word part.
Okay. These are the 10 words, girls.
Teacher, I'm all done. Just I have to now find wind.
Okay.
Teacher, I found wind.
Okay, girls, just have a look at part C. Use the information above to write a
Wait, teacher,
paragraph
I'm not
about
done yet.
the second.
Teacher, can I
Okay.
I need to find only one more.
That is wind. Wind is given in this way.
Teacher? No, I found wind. I just need to find vapor. I haven't found vapor yet. Only vapor. Vapor is at the second line. Okay, I found it, teacher. Found it.
Okay. All right. Part C. Use the information above to write a
Teacher,
paragraph
wait.
about the water cycle. Try to use connectives where possible. You have to write down a paragraph about water cycle. You can write in your words using these lines, or this is the sample answer. If you want to write from here, you can.
Teacher, this is all we have to write?
Yes.
Teacher, will you share this answer key in files?
Yes, after this lesson, this will be shared. Girls, kindly check your spellings while writing.
Teacher, I'm done.
All right.
Teacher, done. And I checked my spellings.
Very good. The girls who have done can leave the meeting. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, teacher.
Allah Hafiz,
Allah,
teacher.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, teacher.
Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, teacher.
Allah Hafiz, dear.
Allah Hafiz, teacher.
Allah Hafiz. Yes, girls, have you all attempted? Girls?
Allah Hafiz, teacher.
Allah Hafiz.